We have to stop eating fast food every day. Though it cures our hunger cravings, we end up with several life threatening diseases. Depending on us, food can either be healthy or poisonous. It's on us to take a step towards being healthy. Hey guys, it's Sunita Singh, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm doing it for the first time. I'm not very good at it, but trying to give my best. I hope you all like it. Chalo, let's start. First, I'm going to start with chopping the ends of the beans. God, I'm struggling with it. You can also use other alternatives, like for example spring onions, etc. That's according to your taste, whatever you like the best. I'm not very good with my culinary skills, but I'm trying to be my best. Okay, finally it's done. Now I'm going to start with the onions. So right now I'm chopping the onions, and I've also put in an air bubble mentioning that the quantity of every ingredient depends on the taste of every individual, okay? Whether you like it spicy, bland, or vice versa, okay? Now I'm going to use a cup of sweet corn, a cup of roasted peanuts, and before using them I'm going to peel them off by rubbing them between my hands. Now on to the spices. Some salt according to your taste, some pepper, that also according to your taste, and some herbs like oregano and chili flakes. Put some water to boil, add some salt. Now add our green beans and sweet corn. Now put off the gas and cover it with the lid. Leave it for around 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. Now drain it finally. Now put a pan on the gas, add some oil, and that is your choice whether you add olive or canola or anything. Add the onions and green chili. Saute it a little bit. And make sure you don't let it burn. Add some salt. That you add according to your taste. Some pepper, that also according to your taste. Now finally add the beans and sweet corn. A bit of oregano according to your taste buds. And finally chili flakes. Now finally we are going to add some peanuts. Oh, it's looking delicious. This is it, guys. So finally we are done. This is my low carb diet recipe. It has absolutely no bad carbs or fat at all. You can have it whenever you like, for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And you can also pair it with some multigrain toasted bread. I love it that way actually. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe my channel. Peace out.